Demi Bennett is an Australian professional wrestler. She is currently signed with WWE on the NXT brand under the ring name Rhea Ripley. She is also the inaugural NXT UK Women's Champion. She is also the first person to have won both championships and the first female Australian champion in WWE history. Bennett began to work in Riot City Wrestling in 2013. She spent several years in the promotion, where she became a two-time RCW Women's Champion. Bennett's New Horizon Pro Wrestling debut was made on 24 May 2014 during the opening night of the NHPW Global Conflict, where she joined the Global Conflict tournament. She was eliminated during the first round of the tournament by Mercedes Martinez. She returned for the second night of the NHPW Global Conflict event, competing in a four-way mixed tag team match paired with Gary Schmidt. 6 months later, Bennett returned and was part of the opening night of the NHPW Final Chapter event, wrestling a four-way match against Madison Eagles, Evie and Saraya Knight, with the vacant Indie Girls Australia Championship at stake. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.